Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So today we will learn about living and non-living things. There are so many things around us. There are flowers, birds, people, buildings, roads, rivers, buses, and schools. These things can be grouped into natural things and man-made things. Nature have given us many things such as the sun, the moon, the star, the planet, the plant and animal. You can see the pictures, different pictures in this. Yes, these things are called natural things. The things such as buildings, roads, cars, trains, schools, and aeroplanes have been made by humans and do not occur naturally. These things are called man made things. These things are called man made things. The things that have life in them are called living things. Example, animals, plants, humans are living things. The things that do not have life in them are called non-living things. The sun, moon, stars, buildings and cars are non-living things. Living things move. Yes, living things are different from non-living things in many ways. You can see living things move. Living beings such as animals, birds, fish and human beings can move from one place to another on their own. Animals move in search for food and water. They move to look for shelter. They also move to protect themselves from their enemies. For example, a deer runs to protect itself from a tiger. Animals such as leopard and buffaloes move with the help of their legs. Birds and insects fly with the help of their wings. Fishes swim with the help of their fins and tails. Snakes crawl from one place to another. Plants do not move from one place to another because most of them can make their food by themselves. Non-living things such as pencils and bricks cannot move on their own. They move only when someone moves them. Non-living things cannot move on their own. They move only when someone moves them. Living beings grow. Living beings such as animals and plants grow with time. When living beings grow, their shape and size change. A human baby grows into an adult human being. A baby plant grows into a tree. You can see the picture of a human baby grows into an adult and then human being. Baby plant grow into a tree. Living beings are born. They grow and die. This process is called this lifespan. Non-living things stay the same and do not grow with time. Non-living things stay the same and do not grow with time. Example, a table or a phone will always stay the same. Yes, Living beings breathe. Our body continuously needs to take in fresh air and give out used air. The process by which our body takes in and gives out air is called breathing. The process by which our body takes in and gives out air is called breathing. All living beings breathe in and breathe out air to stay alive. Human beings and most animals breathe through their nose and lungs. Insects such as grasshoppers have air holes along the sides of their bodies for breathing. Fishes breathe through their gills. Plants breathe through tiny pores in the leaves called stomata. You can see the picture there are three pictures. Picture of grasshopper, plant and fish. Yes. Non-living things cannot breathe. Non-living things cannot breathe. For example, toys, tables and bicycles. Living things need food and water. Living beings need food and water to live and grow. Food also protects us from many diseases. We obtain food from plants and animals. Plants also need food. The leaves of the plant make food using water, air and sunlight. Non-living things do not need food. Non-living things do not need food. Living things feel. Living things can feel the changes that take place in their surroundings. When we get hurt, we feel pain. We can also smell food being cooked in the kitchen. We taste with our tongue. We can feel the change in temperature when the weather changes. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are known as sense organs. They enable us to feel the changes around them. Animals also feel changes around them through their sense organs. Plants do not have sense organs. However, they can also feel the changes around them. A plant kept in the shade will grow towards sunlight. Roots grow downwards inside the soil. Plant can also sense a change in weather. Some trees shed their leaves in autumns. Most of the flowers appear in the spring. Different kinds of fruits are produced in different seasons. Non-living things do not feel the changes in their surroundings. If you drop your pencil, it will not get hurt. Living things reproduce. Living things produce young ones like themselves. Dog give birth to puppies. Cow give birth to calves. Human beings give birth to babies. Birds such as hen and pigeons lay eggs. Also some animals such as crocodiles, fishes, lizard and turtle lay eggs. Their young ones hatch from eggs. So living beings produce young ones like themselves. This is known as reproduction. Plants also reproduce. Most plants produce seeds. Some seeds grow into new plants. Non-living things do not reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Okay? So, this is all about living and non-living things. Okay, Allah Hafiz.